Honestly, the cleanup has been the hardest part of it. The snow we're pretty much used to. It's just the not being able to get around, people being stuck, traffic, you can't go anywhere. So it's more of a mental thing, staying inside, not being able to get out. The snow, I think we're used to every year, shoveling. A lot of snow we're used to. It's nothing out of the ordinary. Oh man, it was big problems. A lot of cars stuck in the parking lot. A lot of people still driving, trying to get here. Us being closed, our trucks not being able to restock. So we were limited on a lot of things that we had, and a lot of people's patience running thin. But you know, with this, like I said, with the storm, is not much we can do except tough through it. So.
Actually not too bad. We got a lot of wind, so my driveway actually barely had any snow. But it was hard to stay in the house for the 6 days. That was definitely tough, not being able to leave the house. Yeah, we actually lost a lot of trees in our side yard. They all went down, all of them. I had 6 trees fall down, so yeah, we had a lot of wind damage. I'm just used to it. I don't know. We just deal with it. We just deal with it.
I've been kind of used to it all my life, but this is the worst I've ever seen. The wind was something that was just amazing, and it was just literally just mind-boggling. You couldn't see anything. It was you know, and it happened so quickly and so suddenly. So that's how I believe a lot of people just got trapped in their vehicles. You're at the mercy of Mother Nature, and she did literally what she wanted to do, and it was really sad to see that they weren't very prepared for that here, and a lot of people lost their lives because of it. You know, and I don't think people understood the severity of what was coming. And it shows in the aftermath, you know, the deaths that occurred, the power outages, the looting, you know, people took advantage of it in negative ways based on the misery of others, which was very unfortunate, you know. I walked down the street and I saw, you know, businesses with holes, you know, in their windows, and people walking around, you know, dropping all kinds of stuff, running out of stores and stuff like that. I mean, it happened right down the street from where I live. you know, and I'm over here trying to walk and get power to be able to, you know, just charge my phone, and I couldn't do it, you know, because there was no one with power for probably 2 miles away from me, and I literally walked that after the storm trying to get power because it was that bad. I mean, for me, I mean, I had to shovel myself out. I mean, literally my back door was closed all the way up to the roof, you know, so I literally had to shovel all that out by myself. And then the funny thing was that 4 days after the fact, you know, then we had the police and the fire department coming to see if everybody was okay. But you know, it was too late. A lot of people lost their lives. I just think that they should have just really informed, given more information regarding the severity. I mean, yeah, it was all over the news and everything, but I mean, you had to go around maybe have police vehicles driving around informing people over a loudspeaker or something. You know, that's what I was thinking.
My lock on my door broke, and then it broke open. So I had about 1.5 feet or so. Our hallway door broke. The handle was broke, and the storm door ripped open. We had about 2.5 feet in the hallway. So before you could even get outside to shovel, you had to shovel the hallway out to get out. Yeah, yeah, this was very tough. Well, I wasn't able to go out for a whole week. I got stuck in the house last Thursday. So this is the first day I actually got out because I have the wheelchair. But I had people come and bring me stuff. Well, I was mad about all the people doing the looting. That was bad. You know what I mean? People shouldn't do that. You got to help each other. Buffalo's known for eating chicken wings, drinking beer, and shoveling a lot of snow. That's Buffalo. And being good neighbors to each other. If you need something, we help each other out. We'll give it to you.